Hi, asthma and COPD heroes. It's Denise, one of the respiratory therapists with the Nightingale, coming at you from our first Nightingale tidbit on fall allergies. And what are those, you ask? Common ragweed and mold in the fall. Those are common triggers. And ragweed is a member of the daisy family. It's one of the most common weeds, and it grows in 49 of the 50 states. So as you're sneezing, you're wondering which state doesn't have ragweed? Well, it's Alaska. So ragweed is a very light pollen that can blow around for long distances. One ragweed plant can produce up to 1 billion grains of pollen per season. Ragweed starts to bloom in August and it continues into the fall. So it's no wonder so many people are miserably congested this time of year. Now, before you pack up and move to Alaska, let's talk about some ideas on how you can prevent your allergy symptoms. Monitor the pollen count on the local TV station, newspapers, there's websites out there. When the pollen count is high in your area for ragweed, avoid going outside if you can. Stay inside during the peak pollen hours of mid-morning to early afternoon. Close the windows of the house and the car to keep the pollen out. I know that's hard. I like to have a nice breeze coming in, but when you have allergies and it's that time of year, it's best to keep those things closed. Use an air conditioner because that'll help filter the air if you can. Remember to change the filters on your air conditioner also. Take your shoes off and your jacket before you enter the house because pollen will stick to your clothes. And on that note, don't hang your clothes outside on a line to dry because, again, the pollen will stick to them. Wearing a hat to help keep the pollen off your hair, putting on sunglasses to filter the pollen out of your eyes, and wearing a mask so that it'll help to filter out the pollen, especially if you have to do the yard work. It's ideal if you can get somebody else to mow the lawn for you, but I know that's not always an option. So wearing a mask when you're outside doing that or gardening or whatever, because that pollen is just floating around out there. And also, if you have pets that go outside, giving them baths frequently. I know that can be a challenge, but if they'll let you, that's a great thing to do. So I hope some of these ideas help you be more comfortable this time of year. More on fall allergies coming soon. And thanks for watching.